Lucas, get me a beer. Get a beer, Lucas. Good, now bring me the beer. Oh, no, bring me the beer. Not me opening that one. No, don't drink the beer.
Daddy.
Bring me the beer. Perfect child. Bring me the beer. Good boy. Go get a beer for your mom.
More?
You gonna get a beer for your mom?
Go get a beer for mommy. Yep, for me.
Yep, for her.
Keep going.
Go get a beer for mom. Good. And bring the beer back to mom. Well, turns out having a kid was a good idea.
No,
no.
Bring me the beer.
Bring mommy the beer.
Come here. Thank you. Good job. Can you put it back? Go put it back in the box.
Now I'm gonna stop.